So as of now, the market is still under pressure. The Nifty is down over 200 points and there's no real recovery in store. As we were telling you, the next line of support for the market, at least the important level to watch, is the 200-day moving average, which stands at 16,980. That's still a distance away, but it looks like the texture of the market has weakened quite a bit. You can see that in the advanced decline ratio, which is now has over 2,000 stocks on the declining side. Because of business updates, there are many stocks which are under pressure. Bandhan Bank, in fact, is now down almost 3% on the back of its business update. Tata Motors is down about 4%, 3.5% on the back of weakness in JLR sales. But the rupee has opened at a fresh low of 82.62. Lata is here with a quick update on that. Lata.
Well, the latest from the FX market is a huge recovery, actually, in the currency. Yes, the rupee has every reason to weaken because it's a triple whammy. It's higher crude prices, it's a stronger dollar, and it is higher US yields compared to what it was when we went to bed on Friday. So the New York markets were indicating 82.82 actually in Friday close. That was expected to be having an impact in the opening trades. But from the word go, the Reserve Bank has been there and it has followed up. The appearance seems to be, and this is just chat, that, our rupee came under severe pressure in what you call the NDF market, the non-deliverable forwards. That is the rupee being traded in foreign destinations, in Dubai, in New York. And that was, more sentimental. The NDF had ran up huge positions against the rupee, that is long dollar versus the rupee, because it was seen that FX reserves fell. If you remember, the Friday figure showed 532. Our high was 640 billion. And then crude was also inched its way all the way to 97. I mean, striking distance of the triple figure mark. So it looked like, the RBI, the rupee was getting singled out, or at least that is what readers are, viewers are reading from the RBI's rather staunch support for the currency at this point in time. Left to itself, the dealers are of the view that the rupee would have gone to 83, or at least towards, 82.90, thereabouts. But it has been a very spirited defense, probably because the Reserve Bank feels that sentiment and speculation is taking the rupee more than what is warranted. We'll have to wait and see when Europe opens, because today no US, Columbus Day, and no Japan either. Those are the liquid markets which give you an indication of DXY and US yields. So we have to wait for Europe to open. The bond markets are also under pressure, but less so. That's because we had a very good auction. Friday auction was better in terms of buying than what the market anticipated. So yes, yields are at 748 compared to 745. But, on Friday, they even saw a high of 7.51. Compared to that, it's better.
All right, Lata, thank you very much. So maybe slowing down the pace of depreciation, as Lata pointed out, on the currency at least. So 82.37 is flat. I mean, some really, as Lata said, spirited defense are coming in early this morning. All right, let's get back to corporate talk. We have the IT earnings season, which is due to kick off today, and all eyes are on the workforce, right? Workforce dynamics. So far, the dynamic was in favor of employees. Multiple job offers on hand, and jobs were for the taking, for the choosing. Has that balance shifted a little bit? There are reports that companies are actually now slowing down the pace of hiring. We've heard that from more than one company. We have Hitesh Oberoi joining us, Managing Director and CEO at InfoEdge, who, of course, has a large recruitment business. Hitesh, great to have you with us here. Thank you very much.